I turned my old gaming chair into my own version of a racing chair because the passenger seat from the Firebird is going to be replacing the green disgusting thing from 1970 Never. All that and more this time on Knight Rider's Garage. Alright, Chris is working on getting the bolts out of the old chair. Already has one arm off and we got it off of the main stand. My job is getting that seat to make that, or to be on that. So this will be fun. Oh yeah, that's all taken apart. And the hood's off. Fun.
This
could turn off, that would be wonderful. Thank you. Finally got around to getting all of this put together. So now all there is to slap this into that with the bushings and everything. And I have turned a Firebird chair from the passenger seat into my new office chair for my computer. And I even kept the reclining function. Sadly, wasn't able to keep the sliding function, but that isn't very important in office chairs. However, it does have the headrest, which is nice. So, time to throw it into that thing. And that is how you turn any seat with a little bit of modification, it actually was not difficult at all, into an office chair. So instead of going out and buying those fancy $800, $600 office chairs that have the fancy racing seat or whatever, just make one. The office chair was $8 at a rummage sale. The seat, well, it can be out of any car, or if anything, you can go on eBay and probably pick one up for like $80. So, yeah, that was a fun build actually. I'm going to leave that episode here. It was a little bit challenging getting everything out and getting everything put together, but it wasn't too bad, so I'm going to pack all that up to bring it back home, and yeah. So, like and favorite if you guys enjoyed, subscribe to become a Darkling in a day, comment down below what you guys thought about this video, leave a like or a dislike if you disliked it, and tell me why so I can improve. But I'm going to leave it there, so stay strong, Darklings.